How to separate Facebook business page from personal account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, navigate to the menu page, then switch it to the Facebook page. Click on this drop down and select the Facebook page. Once you're on the Facebook page, click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and head over to the option Page Setup. Now navigate to the option Page Access. Now here you're going to find the option People with Facebook Access. Click on the option Add New. Click on the option Next. Now search for the person to whom you want to add. Once the username of the person appears, click on it. Then click on the option Give Access. Now this person will get access to the content, messages and calls, community activity, ads and insights of the space. In order to confirm, you'll need to type in your Facebook password. After you type in that, click on Confirm. Just for that, you have sent the invitation to this person. After this person accepts your invitation, this person will be the admin of this page. Once the page gets a new admin, you can easily get rid of the page. You can remove yourself as an admin from the page. So this is how you can separate Facebook business page from personal account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.